yo, it's your girl Oblio, and I am back with a video. Today I'm gonna make some fried pickles. I've been thinking about fried pickles. I've been wanting fried pickles, and I tried it the other day. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so I'm gonna try a different way, and we're gonna see what's hitting for. All right, let's get it. Okay, so to make fried pickles, of course you're gonna need pickles already cut up if you want, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Italian season mix, all-purpose flour. Of course you want your oil to be hot, and I got me a strainer and a bowl so my pickles can dry. You got to dry your pickles first. And over here I got 2 bowls because the first time I did it, I did just the wet mix and it didn't coat it the way that I wanted to. So this time I'm going to do the wet mix in here, dry mix in here, and kind of double coat it so that it can be coated perfectly the way I wanted them to be. So let me start drying out my pickles. Dry mix, don't need too much. Alright, so for the wet mix, I'm gonna pour a little bit more flour because I know once you pour the water and hot sauce in it, it's gonna be a little bit wetter. Oh yeah, it also calls for hot sauce. Pour some hot sauce. Oh, and that's done. Oh no! And it says mix until it's a smooth consistency, so get that mixed up. Okay. So you want to get it nice and consistent. Boom. And I'm going to season them with pepper, some salt. Not too much though, because we already know pickles are salty. Garlic powder, and I'm going to use this Italian seasoning to help coat. Alright, mix that up really nice. Now, like I said, the last time I did these, the breading didn't come out the way that I want to, so I'm going to take the pickles, put them in the dry mix and make sure they're good and coated. Put it in the wet mix and then put them back into the dry mix. So that going. Baby, don't nobody want no soggy fried pickles. It's supposed to be fried, not sauteed. If they not crunchy this time, I'm gonna give up and just go to first times. But I am gonna have to make some more batter. Oh boy! I did that. That thing gonna be crunchy. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me that don't look good. It's good, golden. You can tell it got a crunch to it. Baby. Mwah. I can't wait to eat these. I cannot wait. I can't wait. Look, let me just zoom in. Just so you can see what I mean. You okay? My mouth is watering just thinking about it. Just looking at this, my mouth is watering. Whew. Alright, y'all. So we fresh out the grease. Hot. Like I like it because it's better when it's hot. I'm going to plate it and we're going to try it. Let's get it. Here's my plate. Let's see. First of all, these are better than the first ones that I did. Secondly, these are so good. Do y'all hear that? That's so good. I'm sorry. Before I get into full buzz down mode, I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment below on what we're gonna do next. So this is good. This is really good. It was better, like I said, it was better than the first one. I'm not even gonna show y'all the example of the first one, but this one is perfect to the T. Okay. And try it if you like fries. I know if you like pickles, you're definitely gonna like this one. It's like pickles with breading on top of it, but it's even better when it's fresh and hot out the grease. Baby, try it. Let me know down below what you think. Till next time.